Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set home screen only mode on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first thing first, open up your Samsung Galaxy phone, and after that you can go to your home screen and you can tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen, and the screen will look like this, and you have to select the settings. Okay, then after the home screen settings have been opened, you can go to the home screen layout right here, click on it, and if you want to apply the home screen only mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can click on home screen only. Okay, and this is the preview before you apply the home screen only mode, and after that you just need to click on apply. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and this is how it looks. Alright guys, and that's how we can set home screen only mode in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.